How to cancel Remitly transaction. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your transaction on the Remitly app. Now, you can only cancel a transaction is if it's currently ongoing and if it's not completed. Now here is how you can do it. Simply open up the Remitly app. You can get the Remitly app from your Play Store or the App Store itself. Simply download it and open it up and make sure you're logged into your account. Now here you can see I'm opening up the Remitly app. Once you open it up, you'll get an interface like this. Here you can see it's loading up. Let this load up fully. Now once it's open up, you get an interface like this. You'll be at the home page. At the bottom of your screen you can see the home page option. Make sure you are on the home page. Once you're on home page, here on the home page, instead of your get help and track your transfer that's showing up here, you'll find your transfer history right there on the screen at the home page. Now in my case, I don't have any transfer history as you can see, but if you do have one, you'll find it here. What you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to check in, or you want to choose the transfer that you like to cancel. Simply tap on the option or transfer that you want to cancel that's ongoing, and then what you want to do is tap on select view receipt option. Once you tap on select view receipt option, there what you want to do is you want to go to the bottom of your screen. You want to scroll down all the way down below and you want to select the option cancel your transfer. Once you do this, simply choose the option cancel transfer and select the reason for your cancellation, then choose submit and your transfer will be cancelled. So this way you can cancel Remitly transaction or transfer. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.